All right, guys, prompt 5. This prompt really just focuses on a challenge you faced and how you were able to persevere, how you're currently persevering through it. It also asks you to possibly tie it back to your academic achievement. The prompt itself is describe the most significant challenge you have faced and the steps you have taken to overcome this challenge. How has this challenge affected your academic achievement? So, what exactly are you writing about in this prompt? It's really any challenge that you have faced. This could be anything from family problems, problems with siblings, possibly a life changing experience that caused a challenge. So, like a big move or changing schools or something along those lines. It could be a challenge in your community or it could be a challenge you faced at school. But remember, some of you guys wrote about that on your different prompt, and you don't want to submit two prompts on the same story. So, what exactly do you write about that challenging experience? This one is, I feel like, going to be pretty personal. So, it's going to flow however you choose to set it up. You definitely want to touch on why the challenge was significant, what made this so challenging, why does it stand out to you, how did it impact you emotionally, physically, or academically? Feel free to touch on any of those or none of them. Who, if anyone, supported you, or did you handle it alone? I would possibly share why that person got involved and supported you, or why you chose to handle it on your own. What did this challenge teach you about yourself? How did this challenge make you grow? And how has this challenge changed your life?